to my channel. For those of you that are coming for the first time, my name is Fumi Desalu-Vold, FDV for short. I am so excited because JUVIA'S has launched yet another palette, and this is a first. I am so excited. It is a festival palette. Correction for me. It is a festival collection. What do you mean for me, auntie? Girlfriend, JUVIA'S has launched 2 liquid lipsticks to match. The first ever. I'm wearing their collection, but I'm going to get into that later. Let me introduce to you, my darlings, the festival collection. So this is the beautiful packaging. It has a man and a woman, and you can see with the neck decorations and everything, very reminiscent of festival. This is me, and this is Ula. Ula, say hello.
Hello.
And when you open it, you have the packaging, which is the box of the palette, and then you also have the 2 liquid lipsticks. Yes, my loves, absolutely gorgeous. The same motif as you have on the outside. It's got a pattern right here in the sleeve. This is how the collection was presented, PR, YouTubers, and so on and so forth. But I wanted to share this with you because I really seriously believe that this is the best PR packaging I've ever gotten from JUVIA'S place. I've gone ahead and taken the products out to save time. So what do we have here, my loves? We have the festival palette. The festival palette consists of 9 eyeshadows. You have 5 mattes and you have 4 shimmers. If I look closely, I can tell you what the shimmers are. All the ones in the bottom row are the shimmers, and the white one right here is a shimmer as well. The orange, the yellow, the pink, the peach, the red, gorgeous mattes. You know how much I love red, so this was just screaming to me, that beautiful matte blue red. It is everything. You also have the names, again, very African based. You have Oro, you have Keleke, you have Izafa, which is the red. Beautiful. Ula and I have gone ahead and given you our traditional hubby and wifey swatches. You're going to see that further down. So let me tell you a little bit. It is cruelty free, as all JUVIA'S place palettes are. Let me show you. I am so excited, and I'm wearing one of them right now. This one is called Soil, and this is very much like pumpkin. That's the only way I can describe it. I'm going to give you a quick swatch, and this is it right here. Voila. It's on my lips, but I want you to see it as well. Again, you know how much I love my dark lip. I always wear a black lip for that extra powwow. This one is called Doodoo. And let me give you a swatch again. Da 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 da. Very, very, very light. It dries down so very quickly, and it's not heavy on the lip. I always wear like a moisturizer before I wear any liquid lipsticks, so I don't feel it pulling my lips. This doesn't pull. I'll give you a comparison. Huda Beauty, I think, makes the best liquid lipsticks in the business. Guess what? She's got competition, because that's exactly what these lipsticks feel like. Absolutely beautiful. I love the fact that they came out with such a rare color. This is very rare. And then the black is everything. It's so goth. It's so festival. It's so fun. It's so autumn. And this is summer, and this is spring, and this is extremely rare. Very often you might find like very orangey. You find it a little bit terracotta, but this kind of pumpkin. So let us find out a little bit more about the festival palette. A gathering of ritual celebrations filled with bold, daring, and mystic trances. A fetish party complemented by exuberant colors. A celebration of daring and bold colors, not for the faint of heart. Darlings, that is so very true. It screams my name because I'm all about bold. When I saw this palette, I just died and went to color heaven. It is everything that represents me. I love this palette so much that I decided I was going to do 2 looks. Yes, this palette absolutely deserves 2 looks. The one that I'm wearing is like a blue, it's fun, it's got the pumpkin spice, and then we're going to go to a much more exotic sunset makeup tutorial. So in this episode, we're going to have 2 makeup tutorials. I'm going to show you how I created this look, and you're going to see yet another look. I hope you enjoy this episode so very much as I did creating it. At the time of filming this, I did not have a price point for this palette, but I'm sure that that it will come out soon enough for the simple reason that I got my PR package very early, and this palette launches officially the 15th of February, which is next month. As a matter of fact, that's just one day after Valentine's. Yes, darlings. So again, like I said, you've got the pinks, the blues, the reds. And you know what? While we're on the subject, because I can hear you telling me one or two things right now, this is not like the Zulu palette. And we are going to find out what? We're going to find out right now. Hold on. So here you have them side by side, and this is a true blue, and on the Zulu palette you have green. Again, you've got peach, and then you've got a very dull yellow. This is more of like a mellow yellow, and this is more of a sun yellow. Because as soon as I saw the two palettes, I said, let me see what I've got here. So I wanted to share that with you, my loves. So we're going to go in with the swatches. Immediately after the swatches, we're going to go in makeup tutorial 1, which is what I am wearing. And then we're going to go into the second makeup tutorial, and we're going to come with our conclusion and review and find out if JUVIA'S Place Festival Palette Collection with their liquid lipsticks is FDV approved or not. So sit tight, grab some popcorn and some girlfriends and enjoy. welcome back. I hope you enjoyed the swatches and I hope you enjoyed the makeup tutorials, and now I'm here to give you my review. I have all 9 eyeshadow palettes from Juvia's Place. This is the first time that I'm doing 2 makeup tutorials. It speaks to me because this is authentically me. I am very bold. I love this kind of colors. It brings out the Grace Jones in me. I know that not everybody is like me, but what I do know for a fact is that this is a basket of jelly beans. It is my other pop of color palette, and I wanted to show you a variety of what you could do. You can also take this palette single-handedly and mix it with other palettes just to subdue it if you want to. What I adore more than anything is the red. It kills me that it's in here. The fuchsia pink. I tell you, I went to Marrakesh, like a lot of you know. I am telling you for a fact that Yves Saint Laurent would have loved this palette. It is so reminiscent of the collections that he turned out over and over again. And because it's so poppy and because it's so bold, I wanted to give you a variety. You can mix pink and red. You can wear pink and red. It really depends on the shade of pink and the shade of red. Your blue red will go everywhere and anywhere because it's not as bright as a tomato red. And I want to understand whether it is possible I can sneak into their factory and know how Juvia's Place, time over time, come out with the most pigmented colors. My God, I'm speechless. I'm always speechless. The colors, the blendability, the fluidity, the pigmentation is head and shoulders above all else. I wish I could tell you, try this other palette. I reach out for these every single day. It just does it for me. Just look at this. You would think, oh my God, but my God, isn't it fabulous? I adore it. I adore everything about it. The price point, you already know it's not going to be $50. You know it's not going to be $30. It is a full palette with pops of color that can take you all year round. And again, it's got that culture which I love, the African culture. It really teaches the world about Africa. You have so many other palettes. Let's really think about this. You have so many palettes that come out. Juvia's is the only makeup brand that really teaches us about Africa. Amazing. I adore this palette. I love the colors. I'm so excited for the liquid lipsticks. They're so light. They don't pull, they don't tug, they don't stretch, they don't crack. Look at it. Minimum transfer. That is all that you're gonna get. The rest is on your mouth. This is such an exciting time because Juvia's Place is now spreading out. They're making their family bigger. We've got highlighters, we've got eyeshadows, we have liquid lipsticks. I shudder to think what they're going to come out with next. So, darlings, what do I think? Ula, my love?
It's an FDV approved.
It is absolutely FDV approved. Congratulations, Juvia's Place. Congratulations. You know, I tell you, I knew this was going to be the bomb.com. I already knew. But the liquid lipsticks was a pleasant surprise. It's very tricky to launch. It's very tricky to launch certain colors. And you went full throttle ahead. And I'm falling in love with you more and more. My darlings, enjoy this palette. Use my discount code FUMI for 10% off this amazing collection and on your entire purchase. Anytime. The discount code does not expire. For those that asked, you can use my discount code anytime on anything on the website. That is where you're going to get the Juvia's Place palettes, the brushes. Let me just show you because I'm in love with these. They're so yummy. They've got palettes, they've got brushes, they've got liquid lipsticks. Women of color, we are so in for a treat. Until next time, my love, I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Do not forget to like, to subscribe, Click the notification down. Yes, I'm watching you. Yes, you have to subscribe. And then there's the comment section down below, and just tell me what you think. Leave all of your comments there, and I will see you in a couple of days. I hope you enjoyed this as much as I did. Lots of love. Mwah. Ole, say goodbye.
Bye.
Goodbye.